This junk journal will be available in my Etsy shop, linked down below in the description box. So let's take a flip through in this video. Hi, this is Mel from Mapping Journals. So this journal measures approximately, let's see, I did not measure it out before, 12 and a bit by 19, and the spine is 3 centimeters. I did forget to count the pages before filming, so I will put all the informations in the title and down below in the info box. So this is a hardcover journal I created out of an old book. Maybe you recognize this journal if you are a long-time viewer of my channel, or even if you are new, because this cover I created to use by myself to write letters to my pen pal, but then after a while she gave all the letters back to me and I wanted to reuse this beautiful cover, so this is one of them. So I already know it's really stable because it's a few years old and it got not damaged or anything. So you have this lace closure I attached to the spine. So this is a piece of lace you can remove, otherwise it will stay in place here. This front cover I used this structure paste, and here you have a kind of, I don't know, eagle. I think it's an eagle. I used this metallic flakes and gold. I think I used something like gold sparkling acrylic paint and a matte varnish. And these structures here, they are exposed. So this is the spine. You have 3 signatures, and this is the back. I did the same to the back. So golden, shimmery and sparkling. And golden metal corner protectors, golden metal edges on all 4 edges. So let's take a look closer to the charms. I attached this little heart chain. This says "Love my dog," just because. Some buttons. These little beads here, they are glowing in the dark. These are wooden beads. We have a leaf here, a golden bead here. This orange colored wooden handmade charm. I used some buttons, for example this big wooden button, and here is a key charm, and this this feather. And you can remove the charms, you can put them out of your way while journaling. Same for the closure, just put it out of your way. So let's start the flip through. You have 2 pockets over here with journaling cards. This says "Wings to Fly," good, see the good, and "Wings to Fly." This is a little tear away notepad with some stripes. You can just tear or rip or cut apart and use, or you can write some tiny things on here or use these for decorations. Then a Selfmade journaling card. Of course you can tuck other things in these pockets. This pocket is open here, so it's more like a tuck spot. So I rounded the edges of some papers. You have a pocket here, and this card that says "You are gold, solid gold." Then this is Elsa and I think her friends. This is tea dyed paper. This is, I ripped apart a bit. This is scrapbooking paper, another Selfmade journaling card and a pocket. This is from a Reader's Digest book. It gives you much writing space, and this whole journal gives you much creating space, but it's small enough to take it with you in your pocket. Some white lined paper. This I dyed with textile color. This is a thinner paper. I did some stenciling. This is a printable from Johanna Clough. This is some thicker page. Again, some scrapbooking papers, and I created these pockets, some Selfmade journaling cards, and I used gold thread and doubled it up. So you have 4 strings in the middles of the signatures. Of course, you can cut them shorter if they are too wide for you. Another Selfmade journaling card, Fairy Nature. So this gives you a lot of creating space, background, writing space, or just do what you want. Same for here. And I thought around the edges of the printables. I put 2 printables together because I printed them only one-sided. Another Selfmade journaling card. So much of writing and creating space. This says Magic Potions. This is from a paper pad from Stamperia. And this is not from Scrapbooking, but it looks a bit like this. But it is another paper pad, another self-made, not journaling card, but this opens up. Maybe, yes, I think it's a journaling card. This paper I bought, here I stenciled a bit. This is from a paper pad, tea-dyed paper, and so on. So the same kind of things. Stand tall and face the sun, another self-made journaling card. This, I don't know. I think I bought this as digital printable, so this label, not sure right now. So flipping through a bit faster, another Selfmade Journaling Card. This too, Save Your Favorite Dreams. Another printable. Journaling card. Tea-dyed paper. So the signatures are the same style. Another Selfmade Journaling Card. And the last signature. This is from a paper pad. Spending today complaining about yesterday won't make tomorrow any better. This is tea-dyed. Another self-made journaling card. Printable, stenciling. This is a hidden paper clip with this wooden heart, which is a bit standing up, so 3D. Here's a paper clip and a bit of fabric. This is like a little mini notepad. This is a really, really lovely sticker I put on. It's a bit shining through, and I put on some lace on this scrapbooking paper, inked the edges in blue. When you fold it up, fold it out, you have some writing space, so something like hidden writing space, journaling space, if you want so. On the back I put another journaling card. Selfmade journaling card again. This one says, "Don't worry, be happy." You have this this theme here, so this traveling theme. This is a paper I bought on Amazon. It is really, really thick and sturdy. Really like this. Really love this. Another printable, and this too from Johanna Clough. All the printables I used are from Johanna Clough. Another self-made journaling card. Let me show you this in whole, so that you get an idea. So, and another journaling card, or a little small card from a paper pad from Stamperia. And in the back you have this really big lace pocket with another journaling card. And here is space left, so you can tuck in even more things. So I put this bow on a little loose. So let's see. So I left a bit more of this material, so that if the journal grows, even if it's really, really stuffed full already, of course you can tie this really strong, or cut it off, or cut it a bit shorter. But this journal can grow more if you don't mind when it sits open, or a bit open like this. And so you have enough material to close the journal. So thanks for watching. As I told you before, this journal will be available in my Etsy shop, linked down below in the description box, as well as other journals I created. And if you're interested in the creating process of junk journals and how to use them, please take a look through my channel. Thank you. Bye.